Hello, good afternoon. I'm trying my Paneer Butter Masala recipe, and the ingredients are tomatoes about 4 medium size, paneer, this is 5 cloves of garlic, 4 chillies, ginger paste I already have, and this is some dry garam masala ingredients, bay leaf, cinnamon, clove and peppercorns, 1 Elaichi and small piece of Javitri. This is Kasuri methi, that is dried methi, salt, hing, butter, of course, without which it won't be paneer butter masala, turmeric, Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, cashews, about 10-12 cashews which have been soaked in water, and some oil. Yeah, I'm grinding the tomatoes, garlic. I've added the ginger paste also to this along with the chilies to make a fine paste so that all the ingredients are blended well in the puree itself, tomato puree itself. I'm adding about this size spoon, 3 spoons of oil. We'll wait for the oil to heat up. My tomato puree is ready. I've used only 3 tomatoes, not the 4th one. This is sufficient quantity. The paneer is chopped and the Kaju paste is ready. The oil is heated well. I am adding the whole garam masala. It's not much. I am adding the hing. Turmeric powder, and Kashmiri Lal Mirchi powder, of course, for my favorite coloring. Now I'm very quickly adding it. See the nice color which has come. So it's said that food is first eaten with the eyes, the nose, and then the mouth. I will check now. You can see the steam coming out from this side. We'll open and see. Nice. Let's stir it. Cover it with the lid back. We'll once again check the status. Okay. I'm just removing it from the pan, from the plate. it a little bit more. We can see that the gravy is beginning to thicken. We need to thicken it a little more, so it will go back on the hot plate with the lid covered, otherwise there's too much of splatter. Keep doing this. Remove it from the hot plate. Keep checking. Can remove it from the burner if the splattering is too much. At this stage, I will be now adding the Kaju paste along with the Kasuri methi. So I crushed the Kasuri methi in the palm of both my hands and added to it. Naturally now this needs to be cooked further. I will be putting the lid back on. Once this is cooked for another 10 minutes, I will just add the paneer cubes. I am not shallow frying the paneer. It's just plain paneer. I would want the paneer to be soft and absorb all the flavor once it goes in. Many people like to fry the paneer before adding it to any gravy, as then the paneer does not break down. I will now check again, but I can hear the bubbles inside, so I don't want the gravy to splatter. So I'm removing it from the hot plate. We'll open the lid and see now. Yes, it is boiling up very well and the flavors are really smelling nice. I'll give it a little stir. And now it's time to add the ingredient which gives maximum flavor to all dishes. We see it all around on the roadside food. In the restaurants though we don't see it. That's what we pay when we eat on the road. Yes, a nice big glob of butter. That's it. Now I'll put the pan back on the hot plate for the butter to melt away and mix in the gravy. I am taking it again off the hot plate. It's still a little watery, so it will have to be cooked for a little longer, otherwise all this water will come off when put in the plate or in the katori. So we don't want the water to run out of the gravy. At this stage I can add the paneer also. I don't want to stir the paneer much since I am not frying the paneer, otherwise it will become mashed and mixed into the gravy. That's it. I will now stir it to allow the paneer to be coated, and then it can again simmer for some more time. See, the hot plate is like really hot. So within a second the heat has transferred to the pan and the splattering has begun. So I'll very quickly put the lid. We will check again now. Yes, thus it is very nice, yummy, it's smelling great. Yeah, so I don't want the gravy to stick at the bottom. You can see it is now very silky smooth, and since my paneer is uncooked, I don't want to fidget too much with it. I am now just putting this back on my hot plate, which is now, I have turned the hot plate off, but the heat of the hot plate should help to make it slightly more thick. Now I am keeping it covered with the lid. That's it. The food is ready. Yes, I forgot to garnish it with the coriander, for which I will again remove it because it's splattering. As you can see what I mean, splattering too much with the heat. I am now garnishing it with fresh coriander. The vegetable is pretty much ready. Just the heat which will allow it to enhance its flavor in the pan with the lid covered. Yes, there goes back my pan on the hot plate, which has now turned off. See, you can see how immediately it has started bubbling up. I am just keeping the lid back on. That's it. Thank you for enjoying, for watching. I don't know whether you enjoy this or not, but it's very nice, yum. The silky smooth texture. I hope you liked watching the video. Thank you.